Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, kukunin natin yung derivative ng tan inverse x over 2 plus ln ng x minus 2 over x plus 2. Okay? So y prime, so pwede natin kunin yung derivative ng each terms. So ano ba derivative ng tan inverse? So that is 1 over 1 plus x over 2 squared. Okay? Times, using the chain rule, so yung derivative ng nasa loob ng tan inverse, that is 1 half. Okay? Plus. So, ano pwede natin gawin dito? ln ng square root. So, ln ng square root, pwede natin transform to into ln ng x minus 2 over x plus 2 raised to 1 half. Okay? And then, pwede natin ilabas yung 1 half. Tama? So, pwede natin baba, magiging ln ng x minus 2 over x plus 2. And what does this do for us? So, pwede natin agad na sabihin 1 half. Derivative ng ln is 1 over itself. No? So, 1 over x minus 2 x plus 2. Okay? Times chain rule. Chain rule nung nasa loob. So, low d high minus high d low all over low squared. So, low d high minus high d low all over low squared. No? So, ganito na yung magiging derivative natin, no? If we perform some transformations, no? Or may mas madaling method. Ang pwede natin gawin is, sabi natin, we have y equals tan inverse x over 2 plus ln ng x minus 2 over x plus 2 raised to 1 half. Tama? Sabi natin, pwede natin ibaba to. Tama? And pwede natin sabihin na y equals, yung tan inverse, wala na tayong magagawa dyan, x over 2 pa rin siya, plus 1 half. Then, yung x minus 2 and x plus 2, pwede natin i-separate. No? Sabihin natin na magiging ln x minus 2 plus minus ln x plus 2. And what does this do for us? Alam natin, madali na lang yung derivative ng ln x minus 2, ln x plus 2. Hindi na natin kailangan mag-quotient rule dito. Okay, so still, yung derivative ng tan inverse is just 1 over 1 plus x over 2 squared times 1 half plus 1 half, okay, ln x minus 2, so that is 1 over x minus 2 times the chain rule, so derivative ng x minus 2 is just 1. Minus ln ng x plus 2, so 1 over x plus 2. Times derivative ng x plus 2, that is 1. So, ayan na yung derivative natin without using the quotient rule. Okay, so this is just a short example on how we can perform derivative in many different ways. No? So, see you in the next video.